So just a quick note on the S5 or A5 latches for your handles. So if, like me, and you needed to replace the sensors in your doors, obviously videos on to that, but the easiest way to get this latch on, I'm just undo this. Right, so when you're putting it back together, you see the latch is in here. So this little metal piece here that you can't really see, that little one there. Right, what you do is you pull it towards yourself to about here, and then you see this bit. This is what locks the door handle in place, and that's that screw that you did at the beginning. T20 Torx, which is through here. Sorry about the lighting, it's just that one there. And what you do is you push it that way, and it'll lock that in place. Okay? So let me just try and do it for you, just so I can show you. It's hard, one sec. Sorry about that. Right, so what I did was I held that back and then I pushed that thing that way, which you probably could do it from here as well, it's the same thing. Now do you see how it's held in place? Yeah? Now you just put your handle back like this. So my handle's now back in place, right? And then you just push on that screw. So on the inside of here, you can see the other end of it because it's a captive screw. I'm just going to push on that and you'll hear it click. There you go. So now you see this bit here is free, just moves around, that's what locks the lock in place. So if I just move it out of the way here, because that's where the position has to be for the lock to work. And now you can see that that opens and closes.